Hi everyone, welcome to this complete step-by-step guide on how to run ads on Instagram in 2025. Whether you are a small business owner, dropshipper, content creator, or marketer, this video will help you to launch your first Instagram ad the right way. So let's dive right in and start getting result on Instagram. So how Instagram ads really work? Instagram's ads are run through Meta Ads Manager. As you can see, this is the Meta Ad Manager, and the same platform used for Facebook ads also. This gives you powerful targeting options and advanced tools like you can run feed ads. This is the feed ads. Then you can run ads on history. This is the history one. Then you can run ad on reels. This is the reels sections. So you can run on explore page ads. This is the explore page. So you have couple of options and more, all controlled from one place. So this is the great thing. So what you need before running ads? First of all, make sure you have these things ready. A Meta Business account. We already have a Meta Business account. Then a Facebook page connected to your Instagram. Yes, we have an Instagram business profile. This is our business profile. As you can see, the dashboard. This is the dashboard. Then a product, service, or post to promote. Then a Meta Ads Manager account. You will get this by searching business.facebook.com. Once these are in place, you are ready to launch your first campaign. So here you can see we already completed our all the website. If I see the account, there you can see this is account insist. This is already like shifted to business account, and I created a simple website, and we have already an one follower. I don't know who started following us, but as you can see we already make it so much good for our users. So let's add a note. Hit the like button, hit the like button, don't forget. Let's share it. So here if I click on edit profile, here you can see this is our website. We just need to add our bio. If you have a website, you are allowed to add it here. So I already make it business profile. If you view archive, then click on gear icon. Here you can see we already made it professional account for us. So now we can easily run ads through this Meta Business. So how you can create an ad on Instagram? This is really simple. Just click on dashboard. There is two options we have. Like we can boost our post through Instagram, or we can run ads through our Meta Business platform. So if you want to boost, just click on boost content. Then you just need to be select your post, click on next. Once you click over here next, then here you will get options. What kind of options? Like boost this post into an ad to increase your reach. We will automatically format it for different placement across Instagram and run it wherever it's likely to perform best. So here you can see what do we want people to do when they see your ad. So I want to they can visit my website or they can message me. So let's select this one. Then if I select over here, then they will give us options like what kind of, let's click on save, and they will send me mail. A special requirement: do you have any special requirement for running or boosting this ad? Reviewing if your ads are about financial. Not yet, my ad is not financial. So who do you want to see your ad? So you can select this is suggest audience, target this ad to people similar to your followers, or you can create and manually add from that place. Here you can see just search audience name. You can click on edit, search for location. Let's search for Dhaka. Here I already get it. This way you just need to be add one by one to grab the audience perfectly. Then you can edit the years. Let's go, let's make it 22. Audience name, let's give an audience name Rahim, and let's save it. Add at least one location for your audience. So let's add United Kingdom and let's save it. And here you can see our audience has been saved here. So add reaching audience in United Kingdom about verifying your phone number. Or if you want to add further more audience, you can create it. If you want to increase the budget, you can increase the budget, and with this budget you are approximately, your daily reach will be 3,500 people to 9,100 people. Once you're done, you just need to click on boost post. Once you click over here the boost post, then your ads will be run on your Instagram platform. This is the simplest way to boost your post. And now let's go and talk about another one, that is create your own campaign in Ads Manager. So this is the Ad Manager. Here you can see this the campaign we already have. First of all, you just need to go to Meta Ads Manager. Then here you can see we have options called create. You just need to click over here, create. Once you click over here, then they will give you to choose your campaign objective. So here we have objective like traffic for website visit, then engagement for like and comments, then we have leads, as you can see it, leads, then we have sales and conversations. Like just select one. Let's select engagement. Just click on continue. Once I click over here continue, then they are telling us to give a campaign name. So name your campaign like first Instagram ads. Once you're done, here the second campaign details, as you just need to be it as possible. Then here you can see there is a budget, campaign budget. You can select this one or you can leave it ad set budget. This is the ad set, so you need to paste the price over here. If you select this one, you can add price over here. So once you're done, then let me give you a pro tip, that is start with always traffic or engagement. If you are just testing, this is perfect. Once you've done everything, then you just need to go into the scroll down and click on next. Once you click over here, then setting up your targeted audience. This is the most powerful part. So here in the ad set section, this is the ad set section. Here you can see our Instagram is connected and there is our Instagram account already connected over that place. So let's scroll down. Here you can see this is the budget and schedule section. Here you can increase the price or you can decrease the price, whatever budget is your, you just need to paste it here. Once you're done, just scroll down and you just need to stop it here, audience control. If you hover this one, then you will get some information that audience control should reflect the strict business limits. Our AI finds a more specific audience within this control. So here you can see set audience controls for all. So here you can see review changes. Just click over here. Then let's go into the location. The work starts from this panel called location. You just need to select your location. So I'm going to search a location that will be United States. So if you are running a business on United Arab Emirates, you just need to select that place. It's totally depend on your business region. Like you are running an ad on Newcastle in United Kingdom, then you just need to select United or Newcastle only. It is a narrow audience, so I will always suggest you to make it border. Once you select the United States, now here audience plus options. Here you just need to click on audience suggestion optional, or you can switch to original audience. So just click on original audience. Here you will get more options than compared to this previous one. So here you can see, then we just need to select our age. So what kind of a product we are selling totally depend on the age. Like if you are selling candy or gift product, then birthday gift product, then you will select random age. So like I let me assume a product that is we are selling an photo frame. So who are going to buy it? So that people are not kids or child, they will never purchase. So above 22 or 22 people are human are going to purchase it, and then make it 15 means it is a mature option, like it is a middle oldest people who have money to purchase. Then you can select the gender, like you are selling a photo frame, so sometimes you can see female audience or women audience are the main purchaser on this product. So I'm going to select women. Then you can see this is called a advantage better detailed targeting. This is one of the main thing or entire options. Like you're running an ads and you are looking for people who are interested in online shopping. Like let's search online shopping, and here you can see interest. As you can see the interest option in the right corner, here we have this audience who are interested in online shopping. This way you need to find out that your audience are interested on which platform or which things. You just need to be find out your audience from this way. Then just go and scroll down and you can see the placement. So you can, like Facebook provide us recommended version, so you can do it by manually, it's totally up to you. So I'm going to leave it advantage, then click on next. Once you click on next, here you just need to be create your ad creative. Like you can, in the ad setup, you can select the existing post from your Instagram. Here you can see this is the post we have, or we can create and post from scratch. So like give me an example, that is struggling with dry skin, try our all natural skin current cream and 20% off today one. So this is the, like I can say, call to action or headline, it probably it would be. So this way you can make it more excitement, like it will increase excitement on your audience. Once you're done, you just need to be click on publish. Before you hit publish, always I will suggest you to double check your targeting, make sure the link is correct, preview on mobile, and then click on publish. Meta will review your ad usually within 15 to 16 minutes, and once approved it goes live. So always monitor your ad result when it published. Like after 24 hours you just need to be start monitoring, like you can see the impression, CTR, CPC. This will be really plays a major factor on getting a good ad result. Let me give you a bonus tip for success, that always use reels format, perform well in 2025. Keep videos under 15 seconds and use clear direct CTS, and always retarget your Instagram engagers and add UTM tags to track performance in Google Analytics. And that's how you can run ads on Instagram in 2025. I try my best to break down a step-by-step process for you. If this helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below in your. If you have any question, then ask me on the comment below, and I will see you in the next video. And happy advertising.